With StockpileStudio's Auto Outline Confidence System, you can visually and interactively control the balance of high confidence and low confidence stockpile selection. As you scrub through the detection threshold, the color gradient updates in real time, from green to red. Green represents fewer, higher confidence stockpiles, and red expands detection, revealing more potential stockpiles but with lower confidence. This gives you immediate control over how aggressive the system should be depending on your project's needs. The same rating system carries into the PixStockpiles tool, where you can enable Show Hovered to preview individual stockpiles, each outlined in its confidence color from red through orange and yellow up to green. If you want full visibility of the ratings, toggle Show All to display every detected outline, both high confidence and questionable candidates. Instead of guessing what the algorithm sees, you can now see it instantly, and more importantly, you stay in control of the final result when working with your stockpiles.